No scripts, no second takes, just a few dirt bikes in Cadomin's backcountry. Today we're riding Triple Creek Road. This is Cadomin. Once you get off Highway 40, you want to turn left and follow this road to get to Triple Creek Road, aka Tri Creek. It'll be right here after a couple turns.
Yeah, this is the trail.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, good job. You're in mud territory, just...
It's not Grandpa's grass anymore.
Give it a little gas with it, Emma.
Oh, she fell? Oh shit. You get it on video?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
If you're going to stall, pull in the clutch, even just slightly.
For a hot start, Emma?
Pretty muddy. Does it go for a while?
Yeah, quite some ways.
That right there is why you want a flywheel and a lower gear sprocket setup.
Riding under this tree is going to be tough, so you'll have to walk it once you get here.
Yeah. Dude, why?
Are you testing happy here?
Dude, I just tested it.
Could have told me that.
I did.
I was busy.
Yeah, you're napping. I don't even care anymore. All right.
Oh, you're going on the left side.
Oh, so I told you I'm going on the right.
That you would.
Oh, you stupid helmet. Yeah. Shit. Nice. What?
What do you think?
Sure.
I think pin it through the middle.
No.
Nova's good.
My bike is underwater.
Yeah. Just keep it pinned. Awesome.
I need to move.
You don't need to back up. There's something called steering.
Shut up. No! You sideways. Someone McDonald's around.
Piece of jelly. You're retarded.
Please shut up. I didn't do anything!
Yes, yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! right?
You almost broke my handlebars. If you want to die.
I don't know why you dipped so far to the right. You hit a tree there, but
That was funny.
that's okay. It worked.
Uh-huh.
You made it work. I love it.
Yeah.
Emma,
Hi.
focus on that damn clutch.
Yeah, please. Uh-huh.
There's no McDonald's around here.
It's not like riding on ice.
Oh yeah.
There's moments I'm like,
It's
oh,
fun to like give it some throttle, pull in the clutch with the back brake so you can like control spin. It's kind of fun.
Now here, there's a lot of bumps. This is a very bumpy part, but it's super fun.
What's up?
now we should probably turn around.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yo, muddy whoosh.
Yep.
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long.
Hey, save!
Ain't no way we make freedom in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out of the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. Said I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women naked and super force.
Don't get angry.
This stuff happens.
Help you get your things in here.
Look at what I'm doing, and I've been riding longer than you.
John, I didn't ask.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Let me
Motocross tires. Thank you.
I meant by the clutch slipping right when it starts to grab. Right there. Look, it's slipping. You gotta go.
Go. Don't hit me. Roll it over here. I don't trust you.
Fucking hot.
Jelly eating organism. Just move over
Put
there.
this on. Okay, I need a shorter kickstart.
You need longer legs. Why? Go over there. Don't hurt me. Go over there. Go over there. Don't hit me.
Please.
I don't want you to hit me. You're going to hit me. You're going to hit my bar.
What?
You're going to hit me. Go over there and then just go. What?
Why don't you just go?
That's true. Not me. This thing doesn't want to start.
Well, in gear, it's not going to like it. A little bit too much drag first as well. Try a shot of gas down this time when it's in your truck.
I went and then my leg was like there, it went and then it just hit me.
Nice.
Oh, it was awesome.
Oh, good. Lots of mud, eh? Oh, yeah.